Question. P.S. If T is the sum of the reciprocals of all integers from 81 to 100 inclusive, then T is larger than which of the following? 1, 1 over 4, 2, 1 over 5, 3, 1 over 6. Solution. The sum of the reciprocals of consecutive integers depends on the first and the last reciprocals. We have to find the option or options that are larger than t if t is the sum of the reciprocals of all the integers from 81 to 100, both inclusive. Here we are adding the reciprocals of the consecutive integers, 81 to 100. So the sum would depend on the reciprocals of 81 and 100. First, let's count the number of terms from 81 to 100. The number of terms equals last term minus first term plus 1 equals 100 minus 81 plus 1 equals 20. So, the sum consists of 20 terms, and therefore 20 over 100 equals 1 over 100 plus 1 over 100 plus 1 over 100 plus and so on until we get 1 over 100 plus 1 over 100 is less than 1 over 81 plus 1 over 82 plus 1 over 83 plus and so on until we get 1 over 99 plus 1 over 100 is less than 1 over 81 plus 1 over 81 plus 1 over 81 and so on until we get 1 over 81 plus 1 over 81 equals 20 over 81 is less than 20 over 80. This can be further simplified as 1 over 5 equals 20 over 100 is less than 1 over 81 plus 1 over 82 plus 1 over 83 plus and so on until we get 1 over 99 plus 1 over 100 is whole less than 20 over 81 is less than 20 over 80 equals 1 over 4. Thus the sum t lies between 1 over 5 and 1 over 4. That is, 1 over 5 is less than t is less than 1 over 4. Option 1, which is 1 over 4, is greater than t. But both option 2 and option 3, which are 1 over 5 and 1 over 6, will be less than t, since 1 over 6 is less than 1 over 5, which is less than t, which is less than 1 over 4. Thus, E is the correct answer. Answer E.